If your AI-generated design aren't hitting the mark, the problem may not be the AI, it is your prompt. Today I will show you how to write better prompts for UXPilot that lead to more precise, high-quality UI designs. We will generate an e-commerce website from scratch and see how different prompts impact the result. Plus, I share some tips to work more efficiently and save credit. By the end, you will know how to write AI prompts like a pro and get exact design you want. Let's jump in. Okay, so today I want to show you how to write prompt in UXPilot so you will be able to get better result when you work with the tool. To explain it, I'll design with you a simple website for a company that sells tools from plywood. Plywood, it's a type of wood, let's say. It's look like that. You can see it here. We have it in each home. So to do it here, I am in UXPilot, and also I created some prompts we can work with, so we will be able to understand how to use it. And my goal in this video is to show how I use different prompts from the same task and how it's affect the result. If you don't know, UXPilot is the tool that helps you to generate with AI screens, and then you can generate a code or continue edit them on Figma. I have some video about them. You can find them in the description below. So let's start. Here in the menu, you can select between wireframes and high-fidelity screen. I will select high-fidelity screen, and here you can select the model that basically it's like the design system you will use. There are two in default, like the standard model and Flowbyte, and you can add your own. If you want to understand how to add your own, take a look on the description. I have a video there to explain you how to do it. For that demonstration, I will use the standard model, and then you can select between desktop and mobile. I'll select desktop in that case, and here is the box when you add the prompt. So to design, we need to start to write a prompt. If you don't have any idea, you can click on prompt tools and select prompt example. It will add you a simple prompt. This type of prompt, it's only to show you the capability of the tool. If you want to get something more precise, you need to add more information. You need to be very specific with the prompt to get the better result. Because if you add only small prompt like that with some text, it will generate for you something, but it will not accurate for your needs. First of all, let's generate screens based on the prompt I write for this e-commerce shop. I have here the prompt, a website app for company that sells plywood tools. I copy it, paste it here, and click on generate. It will take some time to generate it. You can see here now in the center of the screen, I will do zoom in, and let's wait until it will finish. You can see the result. Here is the page. Let's zoom in. We have the header, a hero, then some featured products, some benefits of the company. If you want to subscribe to the newsletter, we can do it here, and then a footer. So that's one way to do it. A part of that, UXPilot has a tool that helps you to improve the prompt. So in case I have here a prompt, I can click here or prompt tools and enhance prompt. I click on that and you will see that it's add more information to the prompt. It's finished, so you can see the prompt is much more larger. I will copy it from here so we can see it on Figma. So here's the enhanced prompt. We have here the name of the concept, the plywood shopping and checkout screen, UI component and details panel and cart overview. So be aware that here it's create a better prompt, but maybe not for your unique needs. Maybe you want to create the home page and here it's create checkout screen. So as you can see, although it's enhanced, maybe it didn't create the prompt specifically for your needs, but don't worry, we will see how to do it in one moment. I copy this one, go to UXPilot. We have the prompt here. I click on generate, and in one moment it generates the screen with the enhanced prompt. It's finished. You can see the result. We have the header, the total of the cart, 3 items, and product details. Let's see the prompt one moment. We have here product gallery grid layout with 3 columns, cart overview. Let's see, 3 products, cart overview. And also we have the styling gallery that the colors with the tones, beige, brown accent. So you can see it here. But again, it's enhanced the prompt, but not for your specific need. So let's see how we can do it specifically for our needs. Here I have a prompt that I wrote for this task. You can see it here. Homepage for playwood's store e-commerce website. The homepage serves as a welcome entry point, introducing brand's philosophy and some information. I explain the sections, the header navigation, hero section, why we choose us, features products, our story, customer review, and footer. As you can see, I add a lot of information to this prompt. And in each section, I explain also what information it needs to include. In that case, in the header, the logo, the navigation menu, I have home, store, about us, blog, cart, and search bar. And hero section, you see information about the hero section, large hero image, handcrafted plywood tool, and for each of them. So now I will run this prompt and let's see the result. I'm here in UXPilot, paste the prompt, click on generate, and let's see the result now. In the meantime, in generate, one thing that I want to mention that you need to be very focused with the prompt you write to get good result. So Before you generate screen, remember to write what you want to achieve. It also will save you time and money, because if you generate screen without a specific information, at the end you will not get the result you want and you will need to generate again. And each time you generate screen, it costs you credits. So prepare before creating the screen to save money and time. It generates the screen for us. As you can see here, we have a header, we have here the hero section, why choose us, feature product, about our story, some information for our blog, and the footer. Let's see if it's created all the sections from the prompt. We have here the header and navigation, logo with a navigation with home, story, about us, blog, cart and wishlist icon, and search bar. As you can see here, I think it added all the information. We have the icon, the different section, home, story, about us, and blog. Let's see here. Home, story, about us, and blog, cart and wishlist icon, and search bar. You can see it here, search bar and cart and wishlist icon. So created 100% as we ask it to do. We have the hero section. We ask it to do in the hero section, large hero image, tagline, handcrafted plywood stool. As you can see here, large image, handcrafted plywood stool. We ask it also to add call to action, shop now and discover our story. Okay, and as you can see, it is here. And I can go below to see more information. Why choose us, feature product. We have here why choose us, feature products, our story. Okay, customer reviews, as you can see it here, and a footer. Okay, be aware that not always it's create 100% as you wish, because the LLM model not always are 100% accurate. So you need to check after generation if it's generated exactly what you want. But in general, you can see that it's created very good result if the prompt it's crafted well. Now don't worry, I will add a link for this prompt below so you can copy it and create based on it. Another thing that I want to show you, that you can write your prompt and ask after that UXPilot to enhance the prompt. So let's see how we can do it. I take again the prompt that we created before. I paste it here and click on enhance prompt. Let's see the result it will give us. So here is the new prompt. It's almost cut in more than 50% the characters of the prompt. You can see it here. Product requirements, the context, what UI component needs to be inside, the hero section, the unique selling points, feature products, our story, customer review. So basically what it does, it's take all the information and make it more concise. And at the end, it's add also some styles. That's thing I didn't add in my prompt, and I think it's good that it's added here. So we can add the colors of our brand here, and it will make the result better. So I click on update context and click on generate, and let's see the result of it. It's finished. We can see the result here. Basically, it's very close to design we did before, but also it's add the colors. You can see here. Here there is one problem with the image, so needs to fix it after that in Figma. But basically, you can see that we have the header, the hero, the information, our benefits, best sellers, our story, and the footer. Be aware that we created it here on the UXPilot platform, but you can do it also from the plugin in Figma. So I go to Figma, show you how it's worked there. I here in Figma, I open now the UXPilot plugin, go here, I have it here on my recent ones. I paste the prompt. The prompt I paste is the second one that we use. This prompt, that is the second that we used. In the plugin, it's more or less the same, but there is some difference in the features. You can select if you want wireframe or high fidelity, desktop or mobile. Here, you can select the design system that you use. In that case, I will take the standard design system and how much screens you want to create. I will select one, and it is a good tip also to generate always one, because I don't like to spend my credits. At the end, it costs money. So always create one and then iterate with this one, make changes and create another one. Because if you create two in the same time, it will give you two different results. But basically, I like to work one by one and understand the next steps from one screen and not from many screens. So it's helped me to be focused, but also not to spend a lot of credits while I work. So here I click on render design in the center of the screen. So it will show us the design here in the center and not in any place on the canvas. I click on generate high fidelity design, and now we wait to see the result. So here in Figma, this is the result. As you can see, we have the header, the main screen, the benefits of the company, 3 featured products, our story, customer reviews, and from our blog. In that case, the result on UXPilot on the platform was better. But again, because it's AI model, it's not will give you always the same result, and also it will be the perfect result. And because of that, when you generate a design, Don't wait that it will create for you the perfect design. I believe that in the future, the AI models will improve and we will have more accurate design. But in any case, for now, once you have a result that you okay with, just start to iterate and move screen and improve the design by yourself. Not everything with the AI. The AI is a great starting point. It's a great way to create all the page very quickly, especially if you use your design system, but it's not replace you as a designer, because at the end, to make it very precise, you will need to move the pixels. I believe that in the future, it will be much and much more accurate and we will move less and less pixels. But this is the moment that we are now. In the future, it will improve. I hope you like this demonstration. If you have any comments and you want to add something, let's drop it in the comments. And remember that I will add a template for the prompt I use in the comments so you can take it from there and use it, so it will be easier for you to write the prompts. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for a product design to level up your business, or you're curious about bringing AI into your workflow, my contact info down in the description. Feel free to reach out anytime. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I love to hear your thoughts or any questions you have got. See you in the next video. Take care.